So here there is something that you need to know when merging. There's another way of merging, I'll come to that later. But anyway, when merging things, you might get conflicts, which will make your life so much miserable. Okay, if you have many conflicts, that many conflicts equal to the more miserable you will be in your life. So anyway, so I'm going to tell you how to fix the conflicts and how the conflicts will come. Let's say now my feature branch and my master branch is in the same level. They are equal. Let's say someone is doing something with the master branch. So I'm going to do something. So I have the code open from the master branch. Sorry. Here, I'm going to change this one to something else, M2 and M3. Okay. And I'm going to commit this. We have it. I'm going to commit as we have to give a message as M2 and M3. Okay, so we have committed. Now I can go into my feature branch. So remember, we have changed the index.html here. Okay, it was M1 and I have changed that to M2 and M3. So if I go into the feature branch right now, if I go back to the code after changing the branches, we don't have those changes. Okay, there are two different branches, that's why. So you must be comfortable with that right now. Okay, anyway, the next thing is to do the edit in the same place where we did the edit in the master branch. So that's where the things come miserable. So let's say there is someone who has edited the same code in here, something with M4, right? There is a code called M4 right here, and I'm going to add that. I'm going to commit it, message, and I'm going to say M4. All right, now if I check the git log, we have M4 also. Okay, now the things will get messy if I go back to the master branch and I need to merge the feature branch into this. So in my master branch we have M2 and M3. In my feature branch we have M4. So I'm going to type the command git merge and feature 1. Bam! You will get the conflict. Auto merge in index.html, conflict is there. Merge conflict in index.html. So we have to thank the Visual Studio Code Editor. It will help you with this type of situations. When there's a conflict, it will show in two different colors and with the changes actually. That's really helpful. Okay, so what we can see here is it will show you the changes right here, the current changes in the master branch, and this one is coming from the feature branch, and they're asking what we should do, right? You can either keep this, or you can keep all of them. So you can accept both changes, or you can accept the incoming changes or the current changes, or you can just do it manually. You can delete everything. Okay, you can delete these things like this and do whatever you like. This is the master branch. Okay, and that is the main branch, so we can do anything that there which should come exactly. Okay, or else you can just go and select something from the Visual Studio Code. So you can either select incoming changes or both changes, or you can accept the current changes. So I'm going to accept the both changes right here, so it will keep everything. So once you have done with the conflicts, you have to add the files again and you can commit it. When we commit the things, it will give you a nice message. They are going to merge in the branches feature 1, because we had the conflict. Now we have done the parts. So we can save it. It says it is merged. If I check the log file, we have a merge branch. Alright, so that is how to fix conflicts when you have conflicts when merging.